Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with is the bottom mount. We're going to mount this inside of this shade. So if you were to have this, first what you do is you take this and see how it fits. This doesn't quite fit very well on this, you know, actually it doesn't even go through at all. So what we're going to have to do is take this thing, this little nipple here, as an extender. So I'm going to screw this. And so we got 1/2 up, and then I'm going to add this on top of it. And as you can see, they fit nicely together. First, you're going to want to see if it holds. You know, in this case, it does. There's a gap in between, like you can see here, but once you secure it, it'll be nice and flat. Ideally, you would have no gap between the shade and here, but, you know, it's not a huge deal. The gap is basically in this case, the height of this nut here. It's kind of hard to actually show. Alright, so we got this now, and you can see it's sticking out pretty far, and I think it's going to be a lot more secure now. Yeah. So, I'm going to add this and that. Alright, and for the moment of truth, alright, we got this on now, and it's nice and flat on there. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to put this LED on top and secure it in. So what we're going to do first, though, is take these LED wires and we're going to string it through the top. So let's undo these. Alright, so here we go. Go ahead and stick these through the top, like so. And they'll be coming out through the other side. You're going to need to kind of finagle it through, push it. Alright, here. There we go. Until it's all the way to the bottom. Now what you're going to do is mount this. So what you're going to do is snap these together. They snap together very nicely. You'll hear a click. I always like it when you have things that click. Alright, so kind of push these in a little bit, and then you are going to put these on top. So the way this works is there are these screws, there are these holes. You'll see these 4 holes. There's 4 of these, okay? You see 2 of them. There's 2 on the bottom as well. And then there are these screws, and you're going to drop it on top. So next you're gonna use these things, these screws, to mount, screw these together, these two, the bottom mount and the top mount. Alright, so you've screwed it all in, and now the LED assembly is attached, and now we're going to have to work on the dimmer.